Am I the only one who thought memory was just remembering? Turns out it's a whole system. Let's break it down. Think of memory as a three-step machine. Step 1. Encode information. Encoding sights. Encoding sounds. Encoding meanings. Converted into images. Converted into sounds. Converted into ideas. Step 2. Storage. Sensory memory. Lightning fast. Short-term workbench. 15 to 30 seconds. Long-term vault. Near unlimited capacity. Step 3. Retrieve. Retrieval by recall. Retrieval by recognition. Retrieval by relearning. Theories help us model memory. Multi-store pipeline. Levels of processing. Rewards deep meaning. Working memory. Central executive. The boss. Phonological loop. Verbal store. Visuospatial sketchpad. Visual store. We forget because memories decay. They interfere with each other. We lack the right cue. Sometimes we repress the ugly stuff. Want better memory? Rehearse. Repeat to strengthen. Chunk. Group items. Visualize. Create vivid images. Sleep. Let memories consolidate. Connect new info to what you already know. Your brain's not failing.